Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English Podcast Home. My name is Adam.
And I'm Sarah. We're very happy to have you with us today.
In today's episode, we're going to listen to a full story about decisions in life, how small choices can change everything.
That's right. This story will help you learn natural English, improve your listening, and understand real-life conversations.
So, relax, listen carefully, and enjoy the story.
Let me tell you a story about a man named Daniel. Daniel was 30 years old and worked in a small office.
Every day was the same for Daniel. He woke up early, drank coffee, went to work, and came home tired.
He didn't hate his job, but he didn't love it either. He often thought, is this really my life?
Daniel had big dreams when he was younger, but over time he stopped believing in them.
One evening, Daniel met his old friend Michael.
Michael looked happy, confident, and full of energy.
Michael asked Daniel a simple question. Are you happy with your life?
Daniel didn't answer immediately. He stayed silent.
That question stayed in Daniel's mind all night.
Daniel started thinking deeply. He asked himself many questions.
What do I really want? Why am I afraid of change?
Change is scary. People often stay in their comfort zone.
But sometimes staying comfortable is more painful than changing.
Daniel one morning made a decision.
It wasn't easy, but it was necessary.
Daniel decided to learn new skills after work.
He started reading, practicing, and believing in himself again.
At first, Daniel failed many times.
He felt tired and wanted to quit.
But this time, he didn't give up.
He reminded himself, every expert was once a beginner.
After 1 year, Daniel's life changed.
He found a better job, felt confident, and smiled more.
The biggest change wasn't his job, it was his mindset.
So, this story teaches us something important.
Your life changes when you decide to change.
Small steps matter.
And fear should never control your future.
Now it's your turn, listeners.
Pause the video and answer this question. What decision changed your life?
Try to answer in English.
So, the next morning, Daniel woke up feeling different.
Not excited, not afraid, just ready.
He looked at himself in the mirror and said quietly, I will not quit this time.
Daniel understood one thing.
Big change doesn't happen in one day.
It happens with small daily habits.
Every morning, he studied for 1 hour.
Even when he felt tired.
Sometimes, Daniel felt lonely.
His friends didn't understand his new routine.
They said, why are you working so hard?
But Daniel stayed quiet.
At night, Daniel talked to himself.
He asked, am I doing the right thing?
And his heart answered, yes, keep going.
After a few weeks, Daniel noticed small changes.
He understood things faster.
He spoke more confidently.
These small wins gave him energy.
One day at work, everything went wrong.
Daniel felt stressed and confused.
For a moment, he wanted to return to his old life.
But then he remembered why he started.
That day, Daniel learned something powerful.
A decision is not made once.
You choose it again and again.
And Daniel chose growth.
Now pause the video.
Ask yourself this question. What habit can you start today?
Say your answer out loud in English.
Take a deep breath.
Think about your own life.
Change is slow.
But it is possible.
We'll continue this story in a moment.
Stay with us.
Thank you for listening to Learn English, Episode 19.
If you enjoyed this story, don't forget to like and subscribe.
See you in the next episode.
Goodbye, everyone.